Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming. And are you currently stuck with an iCloud activation lock phone that you cannot use at all? Well, this is a very common issue, especially when you buy your phone from the second-hand or refurbished market where the previous owner forget to sign out of their own iCloud account before resetting the device, and when they pass it to you, when you check it, everything looks fine, but when you're trying to set up the phone for the first time, you're faced with this issue, which is really terrible. But you do not have to worry anymore because you are in luck when you watch this video, because today I'm going to show you a way that you guys can remove the iCloud activation lock. And the best part about this is there's no jailbreaking neither, so which is really awesome. Alright, it supports the new and latest iOS version as well. So what is the software I'm talking about? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the TenderShare for you key, and this is one really amazing software to help with any issues that you have with your phone. So yeah, this is not only just, removing your iCloud lock, but this can also help with any other issues that you may or will have with your phone in the future, like you forgot your passcode, you have your phone is like in mobile device management, alright, and a lot of like other things that you need to remove with your iPhone. You guys can use this, and I actually used this software to help my friend remove the iCloud lock, because he came to me like say, hey, he asked me if there's any solution, and then I was looking around the internet and I found this TenderShare for you key. So I was like, download it and give it a try, and help him because he was my best friend and he helped me a lot in the past. So I give it a try, and turns out his phone, alright, after maybe 15 to 20 minutes, alright, of the unlocking process, alright, is able to remove the iCloud lock from his phone, and after that he can use his phone till this date, which is about 8 months now, and he can still sign with his own iCloud account, receive constant update from iOS and from Apple as well. So it's really awesome. Alright, that's why I'm recommending this for you guys. Alright, so without further ado, let me just go and show you guys the software itself. You guys can see what the features it has and what it can do, followed by a quick demonstration to show you guys the whole unlocking process itself, so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is. So without further ado, let me just go and show you guys the software itself first. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see right behind me, this is the software itself, and you guys can see they have a lot of different kinds of features that can help with either phone, like I said earlier at the start of the video. Alright, they have unlocking of iOS screen if you forgot your passcode, all this and that. Alright, you can disable Find My iPhone using this as well. You can also remove screen time passcode if your phone has that, removing or bypassing of mobile device management, and as well as removing of Apple ID without the need of a password, which is really amazing. But today our main focus will be removing your iCloud activation lock. So yeah, but they have a lot of all these features built into here, so it's very generous of them. So if you're getting this software, you're getting the full package, which is awesome. Alright, so but today let's just focus on removing of iCloud activation lock, and the first thing we have to do is just to click on that, alright, and just connect your affected device to your PC or your laptop or even your MacBook, alright, and just follow the on-screen instruction. You should auto get your phone into recovery mode and then into DFU mode, and then it should just start the unlocking process itself. So it's a very straightforward, very easy process, which I'm going to show you right now, the demonstration footage, so you can see how easy and how straightforward the whole process is. Okay, so first thing first, I have to connect the iCloud lock phone to my PC, and after that, on the software itself, just click on Remove iCloud Activation Lock. From here, just click on Start, and you will enter your phone into recovery mode. So your phone will reboot into recovery mode, and this is where the step you have to put your phone into DFU mode. You just follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, for mine, I will just need to press the power button and the volume down button, and after releasing the power button or holding down the volume down button. Alright, and after a while, alright, there's also a countdown on the software itself, and after that you will say the device is currently jailbreaking. So you just need to wait patiently for you to do the jailbreaking process. At this point, you don't have to do anything at all. Alright, your phone will reboot a bit. After that, you will say jailbreak succeeded. Once again, you just have to put it back into DFU mode again. Just follow on-screen instruction, and after that, you will say removing iCloud activation lock. And this part as well, you don't have to do anything. Just take a sip of coffee, sit back, relax, read some books, and after that, you will say removal complete, and just click on done. Alright, and if you still see this iPhone lock to owner message after it's successfully unlocked, don't worry and don't panic, because this is just a glitch. And after that, you guys can just set up your phone as per normal, and there won't be any of the iCloud activation lock on it anymore. So you guys can see, welcome to iPhone, and I'm in my phone right now. So that is how easy it is just to get your iPhone, alright, unlocked in less than 5 minutes time. Alright, so as you guys can see from the whole demonstration process itself, it's very easy, very straightforward. You don't have to be a very tech knowledgeable person, all right, to do so. All right, just follow some of the instruction, click a few simple click of button, and you can just get a cup of tea or coffee, sit back and relax, and afterwards you guys can start using your phone right away. So this is how amazing and how easy and how straightforward this whole unlocking process is, and how amazing this Standard Share for you key is. So as seen from the whole demonstration process itself, I can't wait to get your phone unlocked right now. Well, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this software for yourself right now. And the best part about this is you don't have to go to any third-party service provider where they'll charge you 3 to 4 times the price. All right, probably they're also using the same software right here. All right, and you have to waste, like, you know, your petrol fee, your time, all this to travel down, back and forth, all this and that. Where with this, you guys can download it straight to your PC, laptop, or your MacBook and start doing it right away without waiting anything. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes, just wait for it to do the unlocking, and after that it's done, you can use your phone straight away. So this is how amazing it is. So if you guys want to get your phone unlocked right now, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and go ahead and get this software for yourself, the Standard Share for you key, and go ahead and start unlocking your phone right away. So yeah, that's all for the guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your phone model as well. Alright, so that people will know what phone you're using to unlock. And yeah, so that's all for the guys. And this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.